Good morning, class. We are going to start with the next topic, next chapter, that is triangle and its properties. Okay, since we have studied triangles in our previous classes also, and we have done lines and angles before this chapter, so we now know in a triangle there are these all things we already know. Okay, there are three vertices like A, B, and C here. Okay, there are three angles, that is angle BAC, angle ABC, and angle ACB. And there are three sides AB, BC, and AC. Okay, these things we already know. Now, triangles classification we have already done in our previous classes, that is there are three types of triangles based on sides, and there are three types of triangles based on side angles. Okay, so first of all, talking about based on sides, so scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangle. So we can see this triangle over here. All the sides of this triangle are different in measurement. One is 15 centimeter. We can name this triangle also A, B, C. All the sides are different in measurement, so we can say this is a scalene triangle, because scalene triangle has all sides of different measurement. Okay, so now coming on to the next type of triangle. As you can see, this is of 10 centimeter and this is also 10 centimeter. A triangle in which any two sides are equal and the third side is not equal, that is an isosceles. So this is an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles. That was scalene. Now third type is equilateral triangle. Means in equilateral triangle all sides should be equal. Just like in this triangle, this is also 12 centimeter, this is 12 centimeter, and this is also 12 centimeter. That is equilateral. All sides equal, equilateral. So these were three types of triangles based on the sides. Now talking about three types of triangles based on angles, that is acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. Acute angle, all the angles will be acute, just like this. Okay, how we'll measure the angles? We can measure the angles using a protractor or D. So we'll measure this angle. Okay, so this angle is 60 degrees. Not exactly 60, but between 50 and 60. That is, we can say that it is 55 degrees. Okay, so this is acute angle 55 degrees. Right? Now we'll measure this angle. So when we are measuring this angle, okay, this is, wait, this angle is 60 degrees, and when we are measuring this angle, this is also below 90, this is around 65 degrees. 65 degrees. Okay, so this is an acute angle because all angles are acute triangle, because all angles are acute angles. Now coming to the next triangle, that is right angle triangle. Okay, right angle, we have one angle equals to 90 degree. Okay, we can see by keeping the protector over here, we can see that this is 90-degree angle. Okay, now coming to the next type of triangle, that is this triangle. So in this triangle, third type of triangle is obtuse angle. Means one angle is obtuse. Like we measure this angle, not one angle, all angles are kind of obtuse. So this is greater than 90 degree, that is around 130 degree, 130 degrees. Okay. Similarly, if we see this angle, this is also greater, so this is obtuse angle, this is obtuse angled. So this was about the types of triangles which we have done in our earlier classes also. Now we'll move on to the next topic, that is medians of a triangle, that is new to us. Okay, median is a line that joins the midpoint of one line of a triangle to the opposite vertex. For example, in this triangle, as we can see, this is a triangle ABC. Okay, the midpoint of BC, wherever there is the midpoint of BC, let us suppose this is P. The opposite vertex A, the line joining the opposite vertex and midpoint of BC is the median. So this is the median. The line joining the midpoint of any line and opposite vertex. Just like in this triangle, what we can see is, if we don't take this side, okay, we can take any other side also. We are taking AB as the base. So we are saying this is the midpoint of AB. This is D. This point is D. The line joining D to the opposite vertex, this is also the median. Okay. Similarly, there will be one more median that will join B to the midpoint of AC, that is E, and this also. So we can conclude that in a triangle there are three medians. Okay, so this was about median. The line segment joining AD, the midpoint of BC, to its opposite vertex A is called median of the triangle. Now, how many medians can a triangle have? I have already shown you. It can have three medians. Does a median lie wholly in the interior of the triangle? Yes, we can already see this is lying inside the triangle. Okay. Now we'll come to the next topic, that is altitudes of a triangle.